When we want to navigate change from our authentic inner being, then one step is to plug in. Here's an analogy. I've got a blender and I've got it full of fresh fruit, frozen fruit, some liquid. I want to make a smoothie. So I put my blender here and push the button. Nothing. It didn't do anything. Well, you know what? It's not plugged in. You got to plug in order to get your smoothie. We want to plug into that power source within to bring our best selves out into the world so we can navigate change with authenticity. I invite you to a 12-week online program where we'll practice those skills to be the change in the world with other heart-centered leaders. I'm Leah Skirdal, Resilience Guide, and I would love to have you join us. Click the link.